Yes, sir, man. So y'all seen where we left off yesterday. We got the forks off and everything. The sun is popping out. We did get that front wheel off. Now, like I said, these Arleness forks, where they at? These Arleness forks were a little bit different than our normal forks we usually deal with. So figured these out. The forks and stuff is super bent, so hoping we can get those fixed and switched out along with the bars. The bars are pretty bent. However, I got faith that it's just the bars, it's not the triple tree or nothing like that. So we're gonna hope for the best here. If not, then it'll be another task on our hands. But like I said, I got faith, man. Our CVO is chilling over here, looking pretty good. Our Road Glide is looking amazing as well. I got on that thing yesterday, was freaking riding, had a blast. But it is time for the beast from the Middle East. I'm liking this one. This one's got the CVO like side skirts and chin spoiler, whatever you want to call it anyway, and everything. But this rim is kind of damaged, so man, we gotta take this to the rim shop, hoping they can bring it back to life. Now, being that it's chrome, I don't know if we'll get that chrome finish again. However, I may just paint the lip or something on these and cover that up, make it look new again. Haven't really decided just yet, but let's load these forks up and this wheel up and head up to Harley real quick now, shall we? All right, man, we gotta pull up to Harley real quick, get these forks situated. Then after this, we heading up to the rim shop to see if they can save this rim. If they could, it'll be a plus. So let's see if Harley can save these forks first now, shall we? Yes, sir, we just pulled up to Red Rock Harley, man. We got our forks up here. Y'all already know they come and get us right every time, man. So can't wait. They say they got some 2022s, man. This is the guy of the hour, man. Y'all probably ain't even seen bro yet, man. Y'all probably seen him getting cracking online multiple times under the helmet, man, live in the flesh, man. We're gonna have to give y'all a video one of these days, but let's get some footage, man. Oh man, you gotta show out for us one time, man. You gotta put Red Rock on the map. Look, this is this purple bike right here, man. I'm sure you guys seen this one on the internet, getting cracking, wheeling, doing burnouts and all that. Straight from the East Coasting, man. Can't wait to see this thing live in the flesh. But they got some 2022s here, man. So we're going to check them out and see what new color schemes they got. All right, man. Y'all know, y'all probably ain't got this sneak peek just yet, man. About to get a sneak peek at the 2022s. They supposed to drop it online, I guess, the 26th. Josh, what's up?
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing, man? No parts for me today, so it's I'm living the good life. Let's see where we at, man. Oh, all down the middle, we got all the new 2022 Harley Davidsons, man. Now, y'all know I like the Harleys, but I'm more so of a touring guy, man. So we're going to move down to the touring bikes and check these things out. They got some nice colors, really nice colors, man. I'm digging it. You guys let me know. I like that red one. That red one is really sick, that number 1. Smoke gray. Oh, yeah, this blue is really nice, too. Yeah, they got some really sick colors on the new joints, man.
Reef blue.
Oh, reef blue, that's a nice color.
Mineral green.
Mineral green, dang, that's like the denim, the Harley denim color, but in green. That's really sick.
I think this one's called sand.
Wow.
Something to do with sand.
Oh, it's not really white. See, on camera, it looks white, but it's more so like a sand, creamy type of color.
There's the 21.
Oh, yeah. It does look a lot beefier with that 21 on there. I think that's going to help sell the bike like fast as heck. So this is the 2022 Road Glide Special. And I don't know what color red this is, but it's like a red line red. They call it a red line red. It's got the Legend suspension on the back. So I'm sure this thing rides really sick. It's got the 114 on it. And it's got like the trim like from the 2021s, which is cool. What would you say is like the most different thing on these 2022 bikes? You think at least?
Well, 2022, just the color difference, and they still don't have a hydraulic clutch, so it's a manual clutch.
Oh, so it's back to the old days, how it is. Okay, bet. So they kept the clutch the same from back in the day and a couple new colors, but for the most part, you know, them 2022s look the same as them 2021s, but this one specifically is nice because it got the 21 setup on it already. I'm digging that. I really like this cream color here. Looks really sick with the black accents. Oh, see, that was the same bike, but in chrome accents over there. Really nice.
Better with black, I think.
Yeah, for sure it looks better with black. It looks like a totally different bike in black, honestly.
That reef blue is sick when you see it on the baggie too.
Oh man. Yeah, it's got we got the ultra, like ultra limited here. They call this blue like the reef blue. Looks really sick. Yeah, they got a lot of nice new colors up here. I'm gonna have to do one of these bikes, man. Try to pick a color and do it. I like this gray one too.
Gun shit gray.
Yeah, it's like the CVO without paying the CVO price.
Exactly.
I'm digging it.
Popular, they must have.
Yeah, no, it had to be.
Bite the market again.
And you want to know what's funny? The red bike I just showed you, the Road Glide. I was before I won that one, the CVO that's this color was coming up right after it. So if I didn't win that red one, I was gonna win that one. That would have been perfect. But this is a nice bike. So now that we know we can get the CVO looking color without the CVO price, man. So you guys got to let me know which 2022 you like, man. We don't get to see on camera, man. Like, you guys see how close up, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does give that comic book like effect. It's like a digital type print. So man, trying to recreate this is gonna be like nearly impossible, but like I said, it is a nice bike. You guys can tell probably a little bit more on the red here how it like fades in. Really dope looking bikes. I'm telling you, the red one and the blue one is like the one that's gonna do it for me. The red, blue, and that cream, I think it's like the best color so far.
A little more spoke wheels. I got rid of spokes.
Oh dang, huh? Oh yeah, see, that's funny. I didn't even notice that. Like, you guys can see on the older bikes, they got like the spokes and stuff on all the other bikes, but these new ones is more like a mag type of ride. Looks really sick, man. I like it. And they put a 114 on this bike, so I'm sure this thing flies now, huh?
It's light, man.
Dang, a 114, throw some cam work. Oh yeah, you're gonna be going nuts on this.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be really sick. Really sick. Got the old school Harley vibe. I can dig it, man. Y'all let me know which one y'all like in the comments below, though. Now, I did want to check out this green a little bit more in depth. This green is really sick. I'm loving that new color on there. It's like the denim, like that denim gray Road King we had. Literally looked just like this, but it was gray. Nice. I want one of these 114 air filters, man. Them new air filters look so sick compared to the older ones. Just makes your bike look that much newer. That's pretty much like the only real difference between the 20s and like the 21s and stuff like that. But you guys seen it here first. The 2022 Road Glides. I don't really care for it in chrome, but the sand color and the black really makes this this color pop. Like, it's not white, like I said. It does look really good. Yeah, it's more so just a color difference on the 2022s. I'm sure it may be a couple internal parts, but for the most part, colors. We got the CVO gray on here. I'm digging it, man. What do you guys think, man? Let your boy know. This red one is really nice. I'm sure this is the red line red in the street glide, like that Road Glide down there. Now, this one doesn't have the 21. However, it does have the whole blackout kit, and it just makes it, just enhances it so much more. Looks dope. Now, our guys in LA at Metal Artopia that we messed with did this 21 on this Road Glide here, man. So shout out my dog Andre at Metal Artopia. I see you getting it in, man. Alrighty, man, just pulled up to the rim shop. They got tons of rims in here, man. They be getting the job done. They got those nice, I believe those are probably 4Gs, but we got our motorcycle rim here. We're gonna see if they can get it right to the point where it'll hold air again. If not, we'll just have to buy a new rim. And if they can fix it, it's probably going to be like a little damage right here. So we're probably going to have to paint the lip of this rim anyway. So we'll see what happens and try to get it going from there. Alrighty, guys, just making it back to the house. We waiting on our forks and our wheel. But in the meantime, I'm just checking out the bike, looking at what else may be damaged. And we got to go get some bars because our bars is like totally bent. But after we get our bars, we should be in the game. Now, I do want to see if this thing has like some oil or something, because on Copart it did say it was it had mechanical damage. So it's got oil. The oil actually looks pretty fair. You can add a quart or so maybe, but all in all, it does look pretty fair for the most part. So that's That makes me feel better. I don't think it's anything really wrong with the motor. Honestly, I just think it was the real rubbing up, and that's how they classified it. At least that's what I'm hoping. So once we get these forks back, we can throw them on, take this thing up to Harley, and hopefully get this thing cranked up and, man, hear this thing scream. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, what color y'all think we should do? This red is really nice, but I don't know, man. Y'all know my style. I feel like we got a red bike already, so we don't really need another red bike. But I don't know. What color will pop with this chrome, man? Y'all let me know in the comments below. And then we did pick up our forks. So off to the crib and let's go. All right, man. Of course we made it back, but it's getting kind of dark in here. And I'm about to just speed up this process, man. I'm gonna get it good enough to where we could put that wheel on there and worry about all the specifications and all that later, because we still got to switch the bars because those are bent too. So no big deal. Just don't want to take apart the whole bike and all that right now. And just like that, we got the forks back on with the stock OEM wheel. We had to take off the adapters on the forks because it had that 13-inch rotor on there. So we'll put that back on there when we get the other wheel. But so far, I guess so good. Of course, it's pretty stiff because it ain't put no brake action to it yet, but it's gonna be able to ride up that truck tomorrow morning. So that's cool. We'll catch up with it in the morning. Alrighty, guys, man. Next morning here, finally, we got our road glide back here. We got the front wheel on. And now it's time to freaking load this thing up and take it to Harley. We got our forks and everything ready to go, man. So I'm about to pull the truck right here. I got to take the whole tonneau cover off for the bike to even fit up there. But nevertheless, man, we'll be able to get this thing loaded up, get it to Harley, and hopefully they can crack the code and get this thing started. And we'll know this is just like not just a gamble, because right now we're still gambling. We don't even know if it starts, runs, nothing, man. So got to make sure of that. So let's load this thing up and get up out of here. Alrighty, guys, bright and early. Yes, we would like to be here like right when they open, right on the dot, man, so we could be the first ones in and the first ones out, man. So let's get this thing set up off the truck and get it inside, dog. Just like that, guys, we got that thing offloaded right at the door. It's like 7:59. They open at 8, man. Y'all know how I work, man. I'm like to be on time, punctual, everything, man. But next time we will see this thing, we will be hearing it, hopefully. Hopefully everything is good. Let's cross our fingers. And if it does run, let's just hope it got like a built motor, something in there that's just not stock, man. I got faith, but you know, we gonna see how it rock out, man. Let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe right now while we waiting for them to open up the door. And then I did go grab a quick battery because it's like I said, we're first ones in line. So they're about to get on this right now. So I may be able to get it right back and we can all hear it at the same time. So let's hope for the best and let's see what's good, man. Guys, we did put our battery in here. However, like I said, this bike has like mechanical damage, or so they say. So we still got no power. So alrighty, guys, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We finally got the fork set up on the 2017 Road Glide. We dropped the wheel off and everything. So now it's just a waiting game. We did get a battery for that red joint. However, the battery didn't give us no power, no juice, no nothing, man. So we had to keep it at Harley so they can diagnose it. And hopefully everything is, you know, not that big of a deal. At least I'm hoping so, man. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Right now, it's like literally considered just a gamble. So it's not looking too good, but like I said, I got faith, man. I can't wait to see how this thing turns out, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video where we hear that thing rumble in the jungle. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back here, or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Buy anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. I can't wait to see where these things are going. We are going to be heading out to Indiana in a couple days to go drop off our Green Road King. You guys just seen us ship off, so stay tuned for that. It could be you next, man. We could be bringing a Harley to Yodo, man. So head on over to everythingsregular.com. Buy anything on the site right now and you'll be entered in to win. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either bite. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over there to everythingsregular.com and go get your entry. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.